Hi, in this video I'm going to show you a quick way to defeat a combination lock on an ergo suitcase. This technique should work for a lot of different forms of these tumbler locks, combination locks. So what we need is a small piece of paper, 90-degree angle, and it should be sharp angle. And what we're going to do is we're going to slide it in the side of the wheel, and you're looking for a groove, and by swiping it across you can generally feel if the groove is there or not. If it's not there, you move to the next digit, you try again. No. No. Oh, okay. I think we may have the groove. Ah, there we go. The paper goes down a lot further at the 7 point. So that's our first one set. We move to the next and we try again. No. No. Nope. Nope. Okay, this is starting to... Nope. 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 Okay, I think we have it here. Yep. Number 9, the piece of paper goes down a lot further and you can feel it going into a gap. So we try the third one now. No. And there we go. Okay. So what this tells us is that the combination is along the line that we've found here. And so on most combination locks, the actual bar that keeps it locked it's actually here, and there's pins. So we just check anyway that no, it's still locked. But what we want to do is now we want to move all the digits up by 1 and try again. So 7 becomes 8, 9 becomes 0, 7 becomes 8. Try again? No. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to constantly go through until I find a sequence that works. So no. Nope. Ah, okay, there we go. So the combination was 2, 4, 2. And your suitcase is open. Once you have the suitcase open, you know the correct combination now. But you can reset the combination. There's a reset switch that you can press here and reset the combination. The full instructions on how to reset the combination are in the owner's manual for this suitcase. But it's generally you press the bar across, hold the bar across, pick a new combination, release the bar, and that combination is set. So I'm just going to verify that. Yes. Open. Locked. 2, 4, 2. Open. Okay, hope you found this helpful.